Hello, seventh grade. Today we will discuss the last future form, which is will. We discussed last time or in the previous unit going to and present continuous. Today we'll discuss will. I will tell you many things about will. At first, will form. The form of will. In affirmative sentences, you will have to put the subject, then will, then the verb infinitive, like this. It will rain a lot next week. It is the subject, then you will put will, and rain is the verb infinitive, verb 1. You will put the complement of the sentence and etc. Negative form is the subject, then won't, which is the short form of will not, and then verb infinitive. Look, they won't or will not. They, the subject, won't, it's the negative form of will, or will not, as you like. When is verb infinitive if they don't train a lot, etc. Yes, no question. At first, you have to ask by using will, then the subject, then verb infinitive, then the complement of the sentence. Look at the example. I will start with will. My question, yes, no question, with will. Will the problem, the subject, solve, verb infinitive, question mark. WH question, how? At first we will have to put the WH question, okay, tool, the WH tool, then will, then the subject, then the verb infinitive, and the complement. Look at this example. What is the WH here tool? Will, subject you, do the verb infinitive today, the complement of the sentence, question mark. Okay, to make sure that it is good, come here. Look at the rules and the sentences. When we make prediction, if you prediction تتنبأ يعني about the future, we will use will or want with verb infinitive. There's two words, we use them with what? With will. If you see these two words in a sentence, you have to use will, not going to nor neither going to nor present continuous. These two words. Think, okay, and probably. Probably and think, if they exist in a sentence, يعني إذا كانوا موجودات كلمة I think, she probably will about the future. If we use future and we see think or probably as a words, okay, of a prediction, we often use what? Well, I will tell you that you always have to use them, okay, without evidence. We use it for weather forecasts. Okay, now we have to do this exercise, complete the sentences with the will, want, and the verb in the box. We have pass, rain, disappear, recycle, when, go, do, and be. All of these are verbs. We will put them with will in the cerebral sentence, in cerebral meaning, okay, with cerebral meaning. A German football team will the Champions League next year, so will win. I didn't do my homework. The teacher won't be happy. A green company will recycle the old books, my old school books. Lots of animals will disappear from the planet by 2020. This negative. We won't go camping this weekend. I won't in the school holiday. Won't do any work in the school holiday. We will do our exams. We will pass our exams next month. It will rain tomorrow. Okay. Okay, now order the words and to make a question. Look here, will, when, you, and arrive. At first, I have to search, is there WH question? Yeah, when. So I will start with when. When, then will, the subject you arrive. When will you arrive? The game, who, when, will. Who will win the game? Next, no WH question. So I will start with will the weather be good? Okay. And here there isn't any WH question. I will start with will. Will the plane take off at 10 a.m.? So from 5 to 8 is a homework. From 5 to 8 is your homework for today. This is will, and this is the, here I put won't not because I forgot it. Won't go, won't do, will pass, and will rain. And here the order of the questions. Okay, I will capture it and send it for you. This is homework. Exercise 4, sentences from 5 to 8. I do from 1 to 4 for you, and you have to continue like how I start, okay? You have to follow the rules. You have to search if there in the sentence the WH question, you will put it first, then the will, then subject, then verb 1 and the complement. If there is not the WH question, you will start with will, subject, verb infinitive, object, complement of the sentence, and question mark. Okay, thank you very much for today. See you next time.